Hi, I'm Justin Madison. I'm here today at Saratoga Honda. I'm introducing you some of the differences between the 2018 Honda Clarity and the 2018 Toyota Prius Prime. One of the great benefits of the 2018 Honda Clarity versus the Toyota Prius Prime is the Honda Clarity has 212 horsepower versus a Toyota Prius Prime that only has 121 horsepower. So you can see the Clarity is going to have a lot more get up and go power versus a Toyota Prius Prime. Also, you'll notice on the Honda Clarity, you have the 18-inch rims with a special insert. What this special insert does is it helps cool down the brakes and rotors, so less maintenance on the vehicle, and the 18-inch tires give you a more softer feel of a ride on the vehicle. A Toyota Prius Prime, this feature is not available, and they do have the smaller, low-profile tires. Also, you'll see on the Honda Clarity, you have much more room in the front of the car because you have a full-size sedan versus a small compact car. As you can see, the Clarity has the nice wide seats for your back. Also, moving back towards your back seats, you can fit 3 full-size adults versus the Toyota Prius Prime that can only fit 2. So you Uber drivers out there, this car qualifies to be used as an Uber car. You cannot use a Toyota Prius Prime because it's only a 4-seater vehicle. You need to have a 5-seater vehicle minimum to be qualified for Uber. Also, as you can see, moving back towards the trunk of the car, the battery on the Honda Clarity sits underneath the vehicle, which allows the Honda Clarity to have a much bigger trunk. You can actually fit 4 full-size golf bags in the back of the trunk of this car versus the Toyota Prius Prime that's a smaller hatch and you can maybe fit 2 bags. Also, one of the key factors that I love about this car is the Honda Lane Watch that comes with it. This is the video camera that sits right on this mirror that allows you, whenever you put your right blinker on or push the button on the directional stick, to see the right side of the vehicle and back, and it's a live moving video that shoots right into the center screen of this car. This is not available on a Toyota Prius Prime, and that's why this is an awesome feature on this car. Now that I've gone over some of the differences between the 2018 Honda Clarity and the 2018 Toyota Prius Prime, if you have any questions, feel free, come down here to Saratoga Honda, take one for a test drive, or we can answer any questions that you have.